Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about how can we get unlimited email for our campaign, for our to get our clients or work for our clients. So this is very important to get targeted email, unlimited email using free tools, free extension, and everything. So this tutorial is very helpful for digital marketer or data entry expert or lead generation expert or any field. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, how can we get unlimited email using our free tools? Must be targeted email. Okay, so first of all, you should go your Chrome browser, then search email extractor extension. Okay, so this extension is very helpful, and this extension help you to get to collect lots of email without any hassle. So first of all, go here Google and then click then search email extractor extension, then open. I'm going to open this one, and I want to see the result, and this extension is very helpful. Email extractor, already I have installed it to my Chrome. So here the option showing remove from Chrome, but you will see this kinds of result like add to Chrome. So I want to add another extension like email exporter. Okay, so there is two extension help you to collect lots of email easily using these kinds of way. Okay, so I want to add with my Chrome, add extension, and I'm just waiting for the complete process, complete the process. So it's already completed, and I want to pin here. From here I want to email pin the email exporter. So now what can we do? We will go Google. Okay, we'll go Google. So Google, or here the search bar, and I want to write site. Suppose I want to get unlimited email from LinkedIn, but if you want, you can use these kinds of tricks for other platform like Facebook, like Instagram, or somewhere or something you want. Okay, so I want to write here site, then LinkedIn, then linkedin.com, then I want to get dentist list. Okay, dentist. Okay, dentist list, and I want to get from the Canada. Okay, so I want to get list from the Canada, and this list will be very important for my next campaign. So I want to get Gmail, and I want to hit enter. So after complete the process, just hit enter, and I want to see the results. Here is a lot of results, and I want to scroll little below, and I want to see what's happened. So just see here, this area already 12 mail already collected, and this is very awesome, I think. So if you want to get more result like this, you just scroll below, or you can change the setting for the search result. So you can set the search result like something 10 to 100, and you can find this setting from here. So I think you can easily do it. Just I want to scroll and I want to see what's happened here. So this is collect from the email extractor. Also you can check the email exporter, but email extractor is good, I think. So now you can collect lots of email easily. This is very easy way to get targeted email within a few minutes. Okay, so I want to collect all the email from here, and I want to open my Excel sheet. Then I want to put here very easily. Just I want to put all the email here. So this is very easy, I think, to get your targeted email list building. Okay, so now you want to get another email or another niche or another targeted area or another platform. If you want, you can easily do it from here. Just change the platform. Like I want to get list from the Facebook. I want to check then what's happened. I want to see Facebook. Okay, so then hit enter. The same way I it's capturing the email from the Facebook. This is very interesting, I think, and please look at here. So this email from the Facebook and my targeted location is Canada and niche is dentist. So if you want, you can use this email list for your client, and if you want, you can use this email list building for your marketing purpose for your agency. And if you want to get clients, you can easily get this kinds of way, and definitely whatever you want. Okay, so this is the way you can collect unlimited email, and I will try to make some other videos for the targeted email list building and how can you find list for targeted list from the LinkedIn and LinkedIn Sales Navigator or others area. So please comment below which tutorial you want. And finally, I want to tell that I'm not good at English, but please consider it. And if you like this video, if you love this video, please like. And if you are new viewers in my channel, please subscribe, because I want to make some videos for digital marketing, and I am a freelancer digital marketer, and I am working on marketplace and some direct client last 7 years, and I have a lot of experience I want to share with you guys. So till then, tata, bye.